Library. Today we're going to go over some tips on how you can help the environment yourself. I am not an environmental expert, but just like you, I'm a regular person who does their research. Okay, we're going to talk about two main areas today: plastic pollution and climate change. The world makes 350 million tons of plastic a year, and a lot of it ends up in the ocean. Plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose, unlike paper, banana peels, and other organic matter. Unfortunately, many ocean animals eat plastic because it looks like their natural prey. For example, seabirds eat floating plastic because it becomes coated in algae. The plastic gets stuck in their stomach and they die. Northern fulmars, a type of seabird, will drink ocean water when far from fresh water because they have a salt gland that gets rid of the extra salt. When they drink the ocean water, though, they are often drinking up microplastics as well. Sea turtles will often eat plastic bags because they look a lot like jellyfish. Whales and dolphins become tangled in abandoned fishing lines and drown. Whales will also eat plastic and are found washed up on shore with plastic in their stomachs. So what can you do to help? There are many things you can do. You can use reusable grocery bags instead of plastic ones. Buy snacks in bulk instead of individually wrapped and carry them in reusable containers. This one goes without saying, but don't litter. Avoid one-time use plastics such as plastic straws, forks, and bottles. Try carrying water and drinks in reusable cups instead, maybe getting water from your tap if you can do so safely. Recycle if your area has plastic recycling. Volunteer to clean beaches and other areas. Write to government officials and tell them you support laws that protect or clean up the ocean. Okay, we're going to talk about climate change now. For a long time now, humans have been releasing too many greenhouse gases into the Earth's atmosphere. Greenhouse gases are made up of different types of gases, including carbon dioxide, methane, and more. Carbon dioxide comes from activities that burn fossil fuels, so driving cars that use gas or the process of making electricity. Methane comes from livestock, particularly from cow and sheep burps and other sources. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, so cutting down trees also leads to more greenhouse gases. All of this causes climate change, also known as global warming. What happens when there's too much climate change? Well, for one thing, the ice caps are melting, which will lead to the extinction of polar bears. Climate change will also lead to the extinction of other animals as well. The oceans are rising, and stronger storms are also a result as well. So what can you do? Walk or ride a bicycle when you can do so safely instead of taking a car. You can always try carpooling or taking more people in one vehicle. Turn off lights in your home when you don't need them. Make sure the light bulbs are the type that save energy. Another way to save energy is with your home heating and cooling. Set the thermostat temperature higher in the summer and lower in the winter. So in other words, it's warmer in the summer and cooler in the winter. Eat less meat, especially beef. Consider trying out Meatless Monday. If you can, get your electricity from alternative sources such as solar or wind. Plant trees. Also, you can write to government officials and tell them you support laws that help stop climate change. Here are some books that are available in the Northwest Regional Library System for checkout that I used for my research. There's also books available in the adult nonfiction section. These are from the juvenile nonfiction section. Here is some online resources you can use as well. The last resource is our library website. We have databases you can use that are available through your library card. You can always call the library if you need help at 850-522-2100. Thank you for joining us for this video.